Hi, Rachana.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, this is Aruna from Quality Department, Rachana. Just a feedback interview from your side. First of all, congrats for your placements, Rachana.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, your introduction.
Uh, Hello, I'm Rachana. I'm from. I studied my civil engineering in AIT Chikmagalur. I'm a 2021 year graduate. I got to know about CMTI. I have been associated with CMTI since 2 years. Getting to know is a later part. I have been associated with CMTI for 2 years now. I've completed my internship also in CMTI. I've completed many software courses also in CMTI. Also, currently I pursued my advanced construction management training also in CMTI. So I have a 2 years relationship with CMTI.
Okay, this is about your introduction.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, what was the new thing you learned in CMTI, Rachana?
New thing in the sense, actually, I got to know a lot of things which I couldn't cover in my academics. Just I used to know what all the terminologies. I clearly did not know a lot about things like hands-on experience. I did not have on things. I got to know a lot of materials and many. I visited many site visits. Thanks to CMTA, we had a lot of site visits. I got to realistically experience many interests whatever I had. So that's how I learned many realistical things which is happening in the industry.
Okay, you said about site visits and all, right? Site
Yes, ma'am.
visit only it was an interiors or both construction?
I had both construction and interiors. As of construction, I we were supposed to meet many prestigious projects which are taking place right now. So those were my interests also. So there I got a lot of knowledge, and also interiors. Interiors we had a lot of experience also in that field.
Okay. Then what about trainers' approaches and all, Rachana? How was their?
Trainers were really good, especially Natarajan sir. We were so much enhanced by his knowledge with his experience. So I would like to thank all the trainers. They were always available for us whenever we had doubts or anything needed to be answered. So I would like to thank all of them.
Okay. Then how was your interview process, Rachana? How many rounds
Uh,
of interview was there?
I had 4 rounds of interview, in which first was a written test, which had a lot of engineering questions, technical questions. It was a major technical round. And then I had one face-to-face interview, in which two of them asked about the technical, also about many things needed for the job, and also a lot about general aspects. Most in that also I had technical, and the third round was with the higher authorities, uh, where I was generally, it was a general interaction in which I was they were thinking my problem solving skills and my thinking capabilities. And my final round was with the head of the department in which I am supposed to work now. It was a very general interview in which he had tricky questions. So that was one of my final round in which I was answered as that I'm placed in the company.
So that you prepared your interview well.
Yeah.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you?
CMTI app is another very good, very, I mean, I couldn't explain the words, but it's a very good app in which I can assess myself, how much I know. And also I have a lot of courses in that, in which from wherever else, if I need anything, I can just access in that. So it's a very good app.
Okay. What about CMTI staff? How was their coordination?
Staff were very friendly, so we were anytime if we had any doubts or any clarifications on the courses or anything, any visits, they were always helping us. So all the staff members were really good to us.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Rachana?
So I would like to say CMTA is really helping a lot in. I mean, whatever the logo is stating, that gaining experience and bridging gap between the academics and the industry, it's really happening here. They're really getting a bridge here. So I would like to say, if interests are there about your particular fields, please do join CMTA.
Yeah, that was a good feedback from your side. And once again, congrats for your placements and all the best for your future so that I see my student in great heights. Yeah,
Thank you,
Rachana.
ma'am. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.